do we call that in Scotland? A Glasgow kiss? Enough?
You want another kiss?
Trust me, I'm pro at that. I can sort you out.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe for more content, and I thought I'd just give you a bit more of an in-depth tour. So we're like mega out of the way here, and this is kind of like our doorway to a mini heaven until tomorrow, when we meet up with the entire squad. Raj and Luke are already in Bangkok, as you guys may well know if you've been following them on Instagram. Here's their pop-up tags, go follow them for the madness that they've been up to in Bangkok, going out clubbing. So mine's a bit more chilled. So we're in Sri Panwa, which is about 45 minutes away from our final destination. Some of the squad flying into Beijing, chilling in Beijing for a little while, and then Beijing over to Phuket. And then we've got Pat, Elliot, so Pat is Atish, obviously you guys know that by now. We have Pat, Elliot and Dale that are going straight from London straight to Phuket to meet us there. And then we've got Matt and Lorian flying over from South Africa to Phuket as well. So we've got like the entire squad. So here's like the doorway to heaven. You ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, you can't, it doesn't even do it justice with that. Oh, lion! There we go. Dun, dun, dun. And then that's where we open up to our private quarters. And then we've got, like I was saying, we've got the front room side over here. So it's going to be complete and utter chaos with absolutely everyone coming over to Phuket. And obviously we've got our main room, nice and chilled in here, where Nick is currently on the phone, just doing deals, mate, on the phone, deals. It's going to be awesome. This is the first time that, as a company, we've paid for everything for this mad party out in Phuket. It's been a massive goal of mine to fly everyone out to an insane resort. Like, I'm not even going to give some tips away what's happening at this place, but the entire place of where we're going is ours, and it's going to be mental for 9 days of straight up pure team building. We're going to be having an absolute blast of a time, making sure we're fully on the team building side of things, guys. And so it's going to be a leaving of this insane peaceful tranquility in the middle of nowhere, except for these annoying little tuk-tuks if you've seen them around, and these boats that just sound just the same. Other than that, it's been absolutely peaceful, absolute blinder. I'm gonna go out today kayaking. I'm gonna try to kayak out to that tanker over on the far side today, give him a circle like I'm as high or something. And where are we? Let's zoom in. I'll turn it around. Anyway, that one over there, we're gonna go in to try to come back around it. I have a feeling it's a lot further than what I actually think, but I don't have my GoPro, so it's going to be pretty interesting. Do I take the phone or not? Who knows? I'm seeing a couple of jellyfish as well in the waters, so it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. But this is just the start. Like I said, just watch this space. And we're also going to have one of the best entrepreneur talking teas this Friday with a special Matthew Wright, who we all know, but it's going to be very, very special.
Hi guys, so I'm just updating you on a cable short that I'd taken today. This was a double top reversal strategy. Price had consolidated and created two highs at the R1 level, along with some bearish RSI divergence. So what I'd done is waited for price to come down and break the neck level, and once it had done so, I'd placed my short entry. And I managed to ride it down for 100 pips to the S2 level, which brought me out with just over 1.2% profit.
So I took a short on the pound dollar. I initially placed my position at 1.284 and kind of rode the position down towards 1.27, where I caught about 135 pips. The main reasoning for my short position was the sentiment leading up to the vote at 7 PM on the 15th of January. After this happened, the pound then rallied off the 1.27 level. You can see that sometimes this is a case of how fundamentals can often accentuate technicals.
trip gone so far, honestly, in Sri Panwa?
Can I at least take my hair down for you, this one?
What? No, we can, but it's on the camera, so it's a bit late. Now I'm looking all sexy. Right, let's continue.
I don't like this.
So what do you like? Do you like Sri Panwa?
No.
Why? First class tickets and everything else, and you don't like it?
No.
Why not?
Because the waffles made me fat.
Yeah, look, you've seen all the clothes she's been trying to get into. Just kidding. So what do you want to tell YouTube?
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit the join now button.
What else do you want to tell? Wow, look at that sunburn. Mental.
It should be me that burns being Scottish.
No, I think it's just because I'm so white. There's a lot of me.
So fed up with that one.
The view's pretty epic though. Yeah! Squad's gonna come out. Not long now. Tomorrow. Hopefully Luke and Raj make it from Bangkok. We'll find out. We'll find out as the story prevails. Whilst we're having a nice, relaxing time here. And there's literally nothing to do, to be fair with her. No. That's it for tonight. We've been invited to a great event. We're going to a wedding.
We're gonna gate crash.
Gate crash wedding. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can
They
get.
basically said to us that you can't go to the pool club for dinner tonight, and we're like,
Watch me.
we have had Chinese, Japanese, and Thai for the past 3 nights. We need a burger.
Yeah, burger.
So we're gonna gate crash because this burger means more to us than
It's Wagyu as well.
yeah.
Australian Wagyu. So we're gonna gate crash an Indian wedding so that we can eat Australian Wagyu beef burgers whilst we're in Sri Panwa. Legit, we are. And if we
If the waffles make me fat, it'll be this burger.
I'm mega excited for that now. So let's give
Me
that a
too.
go. In other news, Brexit. Oh, no one gives a shit. Because it's drama llamas. Drama llama 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 drama llama llamas. Drama llama llamas. Drama llama 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 llamas. Drama llamas. Drama llama llama llamas everywhere. Should have seen me swan checking with the laptop whilst I was training. Man, I'm literally burnt all over. You see it more on the camera. Anyway, Chaz, I can't wait for you to get here because it means I don't have to hold my iPhone around, join it to my hand, and then I get reminders to do filming because I'm not the best YouTuber out there. I'm just a guy that likes enjoying time away.
Ah, you just, what do you call that in Scotland? A Glasgow kiss? Enough?
You want another kiss?
Trust me, I'm pro at that. I can sort you out.
Anyway, peace out. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.